Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video from Dinh Duy Cuong. In today's video, I will share with you a question from one of my students. She is using the Gerber software and wants to know if there is a way to rotate one of the pieces on it. For example, rotating 45 degrees, 90 degrees or 180 degrees. If you've watched up to this point and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. Here's what you'll do. You'll look above and see a rotate arrow like this. There, rotate 90 degrees here. So you'll click on this triangle and choose the degree you want to rotate. For example, if you want to rotate 180 degrees, just click on 180 degrees. At this point, you'll see on the right, there's an exclamation mark. Yes, an exclamation mark, and its command name is Toolbox Override. Click on it so that a visible border appears around this square. That means you've selected it. Next, right-click on the specific part that you want to rotate 180 degrees. There, that part will rotate. I'll zoom in a bit here so you can see. Can you see it now? This is a 180 degree rotation. If you want to rotate it to a different angle, you can choose another angle. For example, let's rotate it 90 degrees. You still need to select the toolbox override line. Right-click here. There, and you'll rotate it 90 degrees. Goodbye and see you in the next sharing videos.